Hey there, I want to share my experience of working with the vision therapy program through Robert Lederman's office. When I came into the program, I suspected something was going on with my eyes. It had taken me a while to figure this out because my symptoms were strange. I didn't like reading the way I used to like reading, and I had a lot of trouble with reading comprehension. I thought I was ADD or bored or something like this. But I was also having increasing trouble with nausea in cars and trains and things like that. And I did some Googling and realized there could be something wrong with my eyes. I went to see Robert Lederman and he confirmed this fact and put me into the vision therapy program. When I started the program, the exercises seemed so simple. I didn't even believe they would do anything really, or I couldn't understand how they would do anything. And as the program progressed, they became more and more challenging. At one point, I almost worried that the symptoms were getting worse. And this was the point right before everything changed and the symptoms started to get markedly better by the day. Um, I realized in the program that I didn't know how to really relax my eyes and I didn't really know how to focus them either. So I was doing some sort of in between thing and my brain was making up the difference, but it was just a lot of work for my brain to do that. And that's why I was tired and nauseated and just exhausted so much of the time. Now, today, I do know how to focus my eyes. I know how to relax them as well. And I also know what it feels like when they get tired, so I can respond to that, which makes such a big difference in my life. I'm working full time again, and I'm comprehending what I read. I'm reading for fun. After work, I am driving in cars, riding on trains, really with very few problems. And when I do have a problem, I know exactly what to do to address it. And I can say that all of that is thanks to the vision therapy program. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know that there are many programs like that in the world. It's really an incredible, valuable thing, and I'm so grateful.